Well, hello together. Today we are going to cook Sinigang ng Baboy. We have two bundles of okra and taro, which we call gabi. And this is a very starchy vegetable which will give our sinigang this typical thick and sticky milky consistency. Also, we have water spinach or kangkong and white radish, which we call here labanos. I think it's a Spanish word. I will now peel these and prep them for cooking. I have my cooking board, my knife. I'm ready to go. As you can see, I already started to cut off the ends of the okra. So, and here is the peeled gabi. Now we remove the leaves of the kangkong from the stems because those are very nice and smooth, and the stem is a little harder to eat or takes longer to cook. As you can see, my wife is now cutting off those nice and soft parts. And yeah, actually they come in last because they cook really fast, but you can prep them right away so later you don't have to. So here we have the meat. It's already cut into pieces. So we decided to use back ribs because they are not so fatty and they cook fast. hmm and of course we will first fry them, roast them a little until they get a good sear to get more taste into the soup. Oh, that looks good so far. We also have here the okra, tomatoes, which will give our soup also umami flavor. And now we go here, and there's onions and garlic. Oh, that was my feet. So the pot is heated. Now we are going to put in the garlic and the onions, already diced and sauteed in the oil. And now we will fry the pork ribs until they get a little sear. That will really give the soup an extra kick. hmm Don't forget stirring. And these red peppers we will put whole into the soup later. Now the pork is roasting and I added the tomatoes already so they can release the umami flavor into the base of the soup. Hmm. The meat's not ready yet. It can still brown a little more. So now it looks ready and it's now only frying in its own fat. We put now the okra and the gabi in and add water to the pot until everything is nicely covered, and then we'll just let it cook. So now we add the okra. Any moment can still have a little more sear. Mm-hmm. Steaming hot. And now the okra and the tomatoes are already in. Uh, I also put in already the radish because they need the longest to cook. Now everything is nicely covered in water and we just let it slow cook. Ah yeah, don't forget to season with salt and pepper. And oh yeah, I forgot one ingredient. Totally forgot one ingredient. Ginger, just a little. Depends on you if you like it or not. So and then we just let the veggies do the rest, because actually most of the taste comes from the vegetables. Very healthy without any preservatives. Oh, what I forgot to show is actually also that we have there a little tamarind. That's our main souring ingredient. The soup will cook for another 30 minutes or so, and stirring it every few minutes is necessary so it will not burn at the bottom. But yeah, the soup is actually mostly getting its taste from tamarind and the vegetables. And you can also use other ingredients that make the soup sour instead. But the best is, is still tamarind, or sampalok we call it here. So now the soup is actually finished. And what does have to be added now is only the kangkong leaves, and that's actually it. That was enough for around 4 to 6 people. Now, bon appetit!